Karina Daninger coming to you live from sunny Florida. I'm hoping since it's summertime it's sunny and warm where you are too. But let me tell you what we have going on. I'm over here on Mercer Street in Southwest Palm Bay, and we have a brand new house coming on the market very soon, like tomorrow. So I did not want you to miss out. If you're out there hunting, there's been low inventory. I wanted to give you an opportunity to see what's coming. And it is so bright, I need to pan over. Hey Jackie and Linda, thanks for joining me. Let me get this switched over here. And I'm in the cutest little neighborhood. What we have going on is, can you see the house? Okay, it is so bright I can't even see out here. This house was built in 2006. It is a 2-car garage, very long driveway. We're 1 mile from Palm Bay City Hall, so we're close to 95, shopping, Eastern Florida State, Palm Bay Division. We have lots of dining in the area, great place. The home will be coming on the market at $185,000, so it is priced to move. It is about 1,800 and change square feet. We're coming in through the front door. And in the front door, the owners are actually already in the process of moving out, and there's been yard sales. So if you see furniture you want, let me know. I'll hook you up with the owner. However, when you come into the front door, the foyer is very sweet. When you pan over to the foyer, you can see a nice little spot. Doesn't take up a lot of the footprint of the home, so you have more home to live in than foyer space. You have your living room over here. Nice window, light and bright. Hey, Tiffany. Over here, it could be a dining room or continuation into your living room. When we pan around this wall, we're going to get into the eat-in kitchen. This home is ready to move in. You have a nice big open kitchen. I want to show you how high these ceilings are. Very high. If you wanted to update the kitchen, there's room to do that, and you still will not outprice yourself in the market as we're coming on low to get this home moved. And it is the original owner since 2006. She's taken great care of this home. I'm going to spin back this way and show you out here. There is a nice big screened-in back porch, which is like our third living room here in Florida. And so you can see nice and tiled. They tiled it out so you don't even have the concrete. Put tables, you could put a fan instead of the light there. And then the backyard is very nice and big. And that fence belongs to the neighbor, so you have a partial fenced in backyard. You'd only have to fence in the other 2 spots if you wanted to have a fence. So you could run it right up to the neighbors. And there is space between you and your next door neighbor. And as we come back in, I'm going to show you the master. This is a split floor plan. Those of you who follow me will remember split floor plans in Florida does not mean that you go upstairs and downstairs. Down here, the master bedroom is on one side of the house and the rest of the bedrooms are on the other. So you can see that the furniture is just about all gone in here. So, but this is a decent size bedroom. It is an 1,800 square foot home, so the rooms are decent sized. You have your master sink, single sink in the master. You have the water closet right here. So let me show you the water closet. Nice high ceilings, private water closet. Just left of the water closet, you have a nice walk-in shower. And it is tiled all the way through, very nice. The master closet is a great size. Here we go, show you the master closet. So you have a lot of space in the master closet. Never shows correct on the phones, but it is a good size. And then in the back corner, we have a nice linen closet. So you have a linen closet right there. Nice and lots of shelving, which is great. Then as we run through the other side of the house, there are 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom. And as I mentioned in the beginning, we have 2-car garage, indoor laundry room. The laundry room is right here off the front door. So laundry room would be in here, your laundry hookups. That door there takes you to the garage. Then as we slide back around again, we're back into the family room. And we're now over to the other 2 bedrooms. And the bedrooms are decent size, ceiling fan, double closet, so you have plenty of closet space in the bedrooms as well. Very sweet bathroom in the hallway to share between the 2 bedrooms if you have guests come over. And this home is going to be on the market hopefully tomorrow. You can see the closet over here. So if you have anybody who is out there looking for a home in the Palm Bay area, whether for them, a rental, a snowbird, this will work for anybody and everybody. It is, as I mentioned before, it is priced to sell quickly. So if you have anyone you want to get in, let me know as soon as we go live. I will get you in here. This is Karina Daninger. Nice to see you all out here joining me. Hey, Christine and Nicole, thanks for joining me. And I'll see you on the next one very soon. We have several coming up this week, so tune in.